Hello, beautiful soul. As we step into this new year, if your intention is to embrace even greater levels of your inner being, your higher self, your deepest essence, then you are absolutely in the right place. When you're ready, I invite you to softly close your miraculous eyes. Begin to center yourself simply by noticing your breath and your body right here in this moment. Become the gentle observer of each, inviting both breath and body to fully relax. It is safe now. It is time to let go and turn inward. There's nothing else you need to do right now. Nothing to achieve. Nowhere else to be. Except simply present with yourself. Feel deep within a sense that your higher self has been guiding you all along, often in ways that you couldn't see or understand at the time. Your higher self is calling you now to walk new paths, brighter paths that you've always been destined to walk. Allow yourself to notice how it feels in your body to welcome in this wisdom. This deeper knowing, this essence we often call the inner being or higher self. Relax, allowing a cool, peaceful sensation to wash over you. Perhaps you can sense the energy of your inner being smiling within, quietly saying, "Thank you for showing up for yourself today." Imagine the fullness of who you truly are, waiting for you on the path ahead. Are you free from fear and separation? Are you infused with unconditional love and compassion, not just for yourself, but for all of life? You are enough, precious one, and you always have been. The journey you walked so far was perfectly designed for your highest good. As you connect more deeply with your own inner wisdom in the year to come, things will begin to make sense in new and wonderful ways. The pieces will fall into place. Now, allow yourself to feel your inner being, inviting a deeper connection to your soul community. those you are meant to meet, support, and be supported by in this life. This is not just for your own greatest good, but for theirs as well, and for the greatest good of all. Take a moment to silently thank all the souls you will encounter and connect with this year. Feel the love and light of your higher self pouring through you, illuminating every cell with gentle radiance. Rest into that awareness. Simply receive it right now. Trust your experience. Remember, you are deeply loved by your own higher self. Very good. I invite you now to rest in a few moments of silence. Now that in this quiet, you are deepening your connection with your higher self, your truest being. I'll be back with you shortly. Enjoy this time, dear one. As you return, begin to offer gratitude to your own inner being. Thank them for every quiet nudge, every moment of guidance, every wave of love, seen and unseen. Know that as this year unfolds, you are opening to even deeper connection with your higher self, perhaps even tenfold what you felt before. Thank your inner being in advance and feel their loving commitment to support you as you connect with them more often and more intimately this year. When you are ready, slowly begin to move your body. Take your time, gently blinking your eyes open at your own pace. You did beautifully today. Your higher self, your inner being, is so truly thankful for you.